Hi everyone, as you can see this is Innova Type 3 2012 model which has came to Auto Rounders for Type 4 modification. As you can see the condition of the car, we're gonna paint this car in a company paint booth. I'm gonna change the interior. As you can see, this is stock interior which comes in Type 3. So stay tuned guys for more details. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So now you can see the car is completely ready, and in the previous video you must have seen that it was a Type 3 Innova which is now modified to Type 4. So from Type 3 to Type 4, when you do, there are not many parts that get changed, like the front bumper, show grille, fog lamp. These are the parts at the front. Plus at the rear there is a dicky putty with reflector. Let me show you few things in this car that we have done very interesting. So the headlight you can see is not the standard headlight. These are projector headlights, and we have also put the LED bulbs in that, so for the high performance. Even in the fog lamps you can see, these are not the regular fog lamps, these are projector fog lamps. They come with upper dipper. So when we modified the car from Type 3 to Type 4, we also painted the car in the paint booth machine. And this car came all the way from MH39 to Mumbai. One more interesting thing done is the alloy wheel. You can check, these are genuine Toyota brand new alloy wheels which has been installed. So when you put this alloy, the looks get complete Type 4 from the outside, because the alloy wheels are the only thing when you don't change you can make out that it's not a Type 4. Also the mirror is with indicators. There is one small accessory which is this, which we have installed, the complete running chrome. The headlights, as you can see, are sequential headlights. We have installed powerful DHC LED bulbs in this for the high performance. Complete finishing you can check is almost like a brand new car, and that's the reason why people come from all the way to Mumbai. Even the tail lights you can see, they are LED tail lights with the waterfall DRL. This camera you can see is below the dicky putty, above the number plate, just like original. So let me show you the interior also. The complete interior is done in black and silver grey. So just check the finishing of everything that has been done in the interior. The wooden is also dark wooden finish. So a lot of people don't like the typical wooden finish, and with this theme anyways it doesn't go. So we have kept it in a darker shade only. The seats are completely black with only the borders you can see, which we have done in red. So just to add little sportiness in the car, only the border is in red, rest everything is in black. So we do a lot of such customization. We sit with the customers, we understand their need, and based on that we do the customization of the interior. So all this is possible because we don't keep anything ready-made. We make everything custom based on the requirement Also the touchscreen, you can see it's a DHC touchscreen. It's an Android player. The steering finish also you can see. It's almost like what you get from the company. Even the roof you can check. We have done the roof in black. So a lot of people ask us, have you painted the roof? But it's not a paint. We have actually changed the material only. And this is a very good material what you find in Audi, BMW. So most of the products that you will get at Autorounders will all be of a good quality, because we don't compromise on the quality, and that's the reason why people come from so far. That's the trust. So Rishi, can we start the touchscreen and show? Small detailings like the AC vents are in black in contrast. So I'll start the car to show you the screen. So that's the logo what you get when you start. It's as I said, it's an Android player, so you can use all your YouTube, GPS, everything. Plus it has Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone. And that's how it looks when you start. So it's a smart screen, looks also good, and works like a proper Android tab. Yeah, so now today we are delivering this car, and it's looking very good. And this theme is like, a lot of time people ask us what is the what's the theme that you like. This is the theme which I like, the black and silver grey with full black seats. Looks very sporty. Thank you guys for watching this video, and stay tuned for all our upcoming projects. And yeah, please go to our website autorounders.com, as we have added a lot of projects in that, so you can check all those things, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you guys.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, मैं हूं धवल ऑटो राउंडर्स से। मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर स्वप्निल, ये नंदुरबार से है। इन्होंने अपनी इनोवा 2011 की टाइप 3 हमें दी थी। और स्वप्निल जी हमारे एक फ्रंट लाइन पे डॉक्टर हैं, वो टाइम निकाल के खास आए हैं। उनका एक हॉस्पिटल है, बहुत सारे कोविड पेशेंट्स को उन्होंने ट्रीट किया है। वी आर एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल टू देम एंड वी हैव गॉट अ चांस टू सर्व यू दिस टाइम। चल नवोदय।
एक्चुअली एक कार जो है मेरे दोस्त के फ्रेंड की, डॉक्टर गौरव तांबोली, ये 2011 की गाड़ी थी। जब मैंने इस कार को देखा तो मैंने गौरव को सजेस्ट किया कि कार को जब कोई रिनोवेट कर सकता है तो वो ऑटोराउंडर्स में ही होगा। ऑटोराउंडर्स को मैं फॉलो कर रहा था 2-3 साल से, जब मेरे पास हाँ तो हमने दिसंबर में गाड़ी यहाँ पे डाली। आज डिलीवरी ले रहे हैं इसकी। कम्प्लीटली मैं बोल नहीं सकता कि एकदम अच्छी गाड़ी बनी है। और थैंक्स टू ऑटोराउंडर।
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, कीप इन टच, बाय बाय।